In this video, I'll guide you through how to create an artifact in Claude AI. Even though the process is very simple, I'll take you through it slowly so you understand not just what to click, but what's actually happening and how you can use it. First, you'll want to open Claude and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen where you normally chat with Claude, look toward the bottom left corner of the interface. There you should see your profile icon. This might be a small picture, your initials, or a generic avatar, depending on how your account is set up. Go ahead and click that profile icon. When you do, a small menu will appear with different options related to your account. From this menu, you're looking for the option labeled Settings. Click on Settings to open the main configuration area for your Claude account. Inside Settings, you'll see a list of sections or tabs that let you customize different parts of your experience. Here, you want to look for a section called Capabilities. This is where Claude's optional features and experimental tools are managed. Click on Capabilities to open that section. Once you're in the Capabilities area, take a moment to scroll through and find the setting labeled Artifacts. It may appear alongside other features, so read carefully until you see it. Artifacts is the feature that lets Claude create standalone focused pieces of work, like documents, code files, structured plans, or other outputs that are easier to review separately from the regular chat. Next to the Artifacts label, you should see a toggle switch. If artifacts are currently turned off, that toggle will be in the off position. To enable the feature, simply click the toggle so it switches to the on position. When it moves and changes color or state, that means artifacts have been successfully enabled for your account. With the toggle turned on, you don't need to do anything else in settings. You can now close the settings panel or navigate back to your main chat with Claude. From this point forward, Claude will automatically create an artifact when it detects that you're working on something that benefits from being a standalone piece of work. For example, if you ask Claude to draft a long document, build a piece of code, outline a lesson plan, or create a structured list that you might want to reuse or edit separately, Claude can choose to generate that as an artifact. Instead of everything being buried in a regular chat message, the artifact appears in a dedicated space, making it easier to read, refine, and reuse. You don't have to manually make the artifact each time. The key idea is that once the artifact's capability is turned on, Claude takes care of recognizing those situations for you. If you ever decide you don't want this behavior, you can simply go back to your profile icon, open settings, return to capabilities, and switch the artifacts toggle back to off. So to recap the flow you'll use in practice, click your profile icon in the bottom left corner, open settings, go to capabilities, find artifacts, and turn the toggle on. After that, just use Claude as you normally would and let it automatically generate artifacts whenever your work calls for a clean, standalone output.